Throughout the course, we're going to learn how to use Nmap in detail to scan the networks. Nmap, Network Mapper, is a free and open source utility for network discovery and security auditing. Many systems and network administrators also find it useful for tasks such as network inventory, managing service upgrade schedules, and monitoring host or service uptime. Nmap runs on all major computer operating systems, and official binary packages are available for Linux, Windows, and Mac OS X. Nmap has been used to scan huge networks of literally hundreds of thousands of machines. Nmap is usually very good at documentation. Significant effort has been put into comprehensive and up-to-date man pages, white papers, tutorials, and even a whole book. You can visit nmap.org to find out more about Nmap. While Nmap comes with no warranty, it is well supported by a vibrant community of developers and users. It's one of the most well-known tools of the network security domain, and indeed, with a lot of facilities, it's very powerful. In addition to the classic command line Nmap executable, the Nmap suite includes an advanced GUI and results viewer, Nmap, a flexible data transfer, redirection, and debugging tool, NCAT, a utility for comparing scan results, NDiff, and a packet generation and response analysis tool, NPing. Nmap uses raw IP packets in novel ways to determine what hosts are available on the network, which ports of these hosts are accessible, what services those hosts are offering, what operating systems are running, what type of packet, filters, firewalls are in use, and dozens of other characteristics. Beyond all this, Nmap has its own scripting engine and allows developers to develop new modules. In the following lectures, to discover the network, we'll perform the following with Nmap. First, we'll use ping scan to find out the hosts in the network. Then we'll use different types of port scan to find the open or accessible ports. We'll detect the services running on the ports and their versions. We'll try to learn the operating systems running on the systems. And after that, we'll see how to use scripts with Nmap scans. And we'll learn some important scripts as well. Nmap sends some packets to discover the network. To prevent security devices from blocking our packets, here's where we're going to learn some timing tricks. Then we'll see what we can do more of to bypass security devices such as packet filters, IDS, or IPS. Here, there's an Nmap command example. Let's see some basic parameters of the Nmap command. Nmap is, of course, the command itself. S is to define the scan type. If you use S with uppercase T, as seen in the slide, it means you want to run a TCP scan. We'll see the important scan types in detail. If you don't use this parameter and you have the administrator privileges on the computer where you're using Nmap, SynScan is a default scan type. If you don't have the admin privileges on the computer, TCP scan will run. Destination IP address is the only required parameter to run this command. It means you can run the Nmap command like nmap 172.16.99.139. This is the IP address of the target machine which you want to scan. You can either give a single IP address or give an IP block or an IP range as a target, but we'll see that soon. Destination ports are the port numbers that you want to scan. If the target port numbers are not given to the command, top 1,000 ports will be scanned. Be careful, I didn't say the first 1,000 ports. I said the top 1,000 ports. That means the most used 1,000 ports will be scanned. There are different ways to enter destination ports, and we'll see them in detail.